you ready now? Daddy already. Daddy!
Yes! Alright, I'll come back.
Okay.
Morning, folks.
Hello, folks. Today, welcome to Cook4we with Chef Chrissy and Chef Zia.
Good morning. Now, today is only two of us, so which means you get a little more done faster because they say when too much hands in the pot, what does happen?
We just cook.
Today we cooking stew beef
And rice.
and rice, right? So today we're gonna cook stew beef and rice. First thing we will have to deal with is the meat, which is the beef, right? So we have to season the beef and then
Okay?
right?
Yeah. Wait! We forgot something.
What we forget?
What about dangerous things?
Dangerous things, yes. We
So-
forgot about dangerous things. So, what's the dangerous things we have to look out for?
Scissors,
Scissors,
knives,
knives,
hot water,
hot water,
and oven.
right, yes, hot stove or oven. Right,
Ah,
right.
I was so strong.
Yeah. We made our own seasoning.
Yeah. And season the beef and
Then we put the beef to marinate.
we make the rice.
Right, and we put on the rice. So,
Yeah.
but it usually should marinate for a couple hours. So we already had beef seasoned and marinated overnight. So that's the beef we're gonna use to cook now.
And paprika.
Step back, ready?
Yeah. Wow! Wait, let me see that. Daddy, let me see it. Let me see it. Why is it burning so hard?
But okay, folks, so you finish your pot. So Zane, tell them how you find it looking.
It's looking good.
What it looking like?
Rice, chicken and tomato.
Alright, the chicken is beef. You keep forgetting. Alright, you're going on the tomato first. Go ahead.
It's so green. I don't know, but
Alright, but you ain't taste the beef.
the beef?
Yes, you have to taste the beef. Yeah.
What's this?
That's the beef that we cook.
That's very good.
Alright.
Oh, it's hot. This is very good.
It really tastes good. Alright, so that's it for today. So don't forget to
Subscribe.
and leave a comment and tell us exactly, you know, what you think we should cook next time.
Bye.
That's it? Bye?
Yes! Bye.